Let's make some pancakes. Only need 2 ingredients: Krusty's buttermilk, flour, just regular pancake flour, it's pre-mixed, and some water. Already mixed some here. Form it into a light paste. We have our butter here, our pan, spatula, and some oil. So we get some oil. And we take our cake butter, pancake butter. Then we'll wait for it to form these bubbles. When they spread all over, it's time to flip it. Let's flip it, have a look. There we go. See how good that looks? Golden brown color. Looks good. Time to flip it. Let's have a look. There we go. Looks good already. Yes, sir. Now that is ready. There we go.